How to delete Instagram posts on phone. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. So firstly what you have to do is if you are on the Instagram homepage, then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you come to this page, your profile page. Then what you have to do is you have to simply open up any of the posts that you want to delete. So let's see, I open this post, and if you want to delete this post, then what you have to do is you have to click on these three dots, and then here you can see the you have to find the delete option. So you can see the delete option, in my case the fourth last option. You have to click on the delete, and then again click on the delete post. So here you can see the deleting is I have deleted this post. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. You can also delete this post by clicking on the delete and then again clicking on the delete, and now you have deleted this post. So that's basically that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.